Hello everybody, so today I'm without makeup because I received this product, the Eye Rejuvenator with radio frequency, ion and heat therapy by Lifetrons Institute. They sent me this one last week, but I still didn't have the chance to try it because I needed 15 days straight to try it. And this is what we're going to do. We're gonna test this Eye Rejuvenator for 15 days and we're gonna see what's going on, what will happen like in 14 days. And we're gonna unbox it first of all. So I already charged it previously of the video. So this is the item. As you can see, it's really handle. Of course, you touch it and it works perfectly. And it's, I would say it's a travel size, so it's really good for whenever you want to bring your own little spa with you. And it includes 2 points, which is this one. I don't know if you can hear it, but it works wonders. And whenever you take away this part, you have the other part, which is the ion and heat therapy. Okay, so to try first. Minimini, get down, get down! I'm making a video. You're being like the parrots from the Pretty Little Pesto, please. You're not Archie. Say hello. Say hello, everybody loves you. So we're gonna try at first this part. As you can see, it has two stripes made of metal, which if you touch them, they make the item work. If you don't touch them, it's not gonna vibrate, but which is really nice because this way you can save battery. So this is my favorite eye cream. I'm a little bit red because, as you know, like I suffer of acne rosacea, and this is how I look whenever I finish my shower. So I'm gonna put a little bit under my eye. I have a mirror under it. Maybe exceeded a little bit. And I'm gonna proceed in using the first part. The feeling is nice. The test that we are gonna do for these next 2 weeks is about if my eye bags and my black eyes are gonna look less evident than the first day. So that's why I'm not wearing any makeup. The feeling is nice. Oh, it's sitting up. Oh. So this part is actually vibrating and it's warming up, which for my knowledge it's to provide a major. I don't mind using it right now, like it feels really gentle on the skin. I just have to keep on moving it because it is on a high temperature and the skin under the eyes is really a thin layer and it's really sensitive. So obviously, like, you have to keep on doing this movement. So this is what I'm gonna do for the next 2 weeks. So the next time that you're gonna see me, I'm gonna keep on showing you my Lifetrons Beauty Eye Rejuvenator, and we're gonna see if my eye bags and if my black eyes are slightly decreasing. Like, I think that it could work. But of course, before stating something, I really want to test it. So, see you next time. So, day 4. I've been using this for the last 4 days straight. Every time that I exit from the shower, you can see that I still have some wet hair, and I already did my serum appliance, and now I'm gonna switch to the heating. Say hello. I must admit that if we can check it like from very close, hopefully I'm using the daylight for you to see, so no magic, no filters, and I can definitely say that my eye bags are reducing. I wouldn't say that my dark circles are reducing, but just because that's something that I have as a DNA. Like my mother had it, my dad had it, my sister has it, and there's no way that I'm gonna get rid of it. It's just a matter of my skin being really thin in this part. So actually the black blue colorish is from the veins that I have under it. But I must admit that, like, since I've been using this Eye Rejuvenator from Lifetrons, like, it has helped me, and I'm gonna keep on using it. I'm not gonna film the whole 15 minutes, but I'm gonna let you know in a few days more how it's going. So 2 weeks has passed, and I've been keeping on using my Eye Rejuvenator like every day, and I definitely saw an improvement. Obviously this is a home tool, so I have to be realistic, and you have to keep on using it every day to see a difference. But I am impressed. I am impressed by how my eye bags have been slowly decreasing. As you can see, like here, the line is way much more less visible. As I was saying, my skin is red just because I just put like the cream, and this is a normal reaction for my skin. But as you can see, the eye bags are obviously decreased from when I began to use this one. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it off for a bit. My statement about the Eye Rejuvenator from Lifetrons is that it works. You have to be constant while using it, and definitely you will see changes on your eye part and in your eye bags. Once again, I have black eyes. I really have marked black eyes because it's something that I have in my DNA. My mom had it, my whole family had it, so it's just a matter that my skin here is really thin. But yes, it does work. So if you were thinking about buying it, go and just buy it because you're gonna be happy with it.